Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to register for the Deutsche Bank online banking using your phone or computer. First, open the Deutsche Bank mobile app or go to the official Deutsche Bank website. Then, on the login screen, look for register or activate online banking. Then, enter your customer ID, account number, or debit card details. Make sure you type everything correctly. Next, you may need to verify your identity. This can include entering an OTP sent to you on your registered mobile number or email. Enter the code and continue. Now, create a login ID and password. Choose a strong password that you can remember, confirm it, and continue. Then follow the remaining steps or instructions on the screen. Once finished, your online banking will be activated. After registration, try logging in once to make sure everything works properly. That's it. This is how to register for the Deutsche Bank online banking. Like and subscribe for more banking tech guides, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.